Welcome back, everybody, as we continue to cover the winter storm, the third Monday in a row. What is it about a Monday, Ock?
Tell me why I don't like Mondays. Remember that? Boomtown Rats.
It's another Monday and another snowstorm. We've been tracking snow for the last 3 Mondays.
Here it is, and we're in the midst of it now, and we've got that steady, even heavy snow.
Nobody's gonna go to school today. She's gonna make them stay at home. And he can see no reasons, 'cause there are no reasons. What reason do you need to be shown? Tell me why I don't like Mondays. Tell me why I don't like Mondays. Tell me why I don't like Mondays. I wanna shoot. The whole day down.
This snow making it an historic storm. We know that we're in that 30-day stretch, actually only 17 days, that eclipses the previous 30-day stretch of snowiest weather ever recorded in Boston.